faces from the continent. I really appreciate that. We have interacted with a number of them in various places, and I appreciate faces from the continent. I really appreciate that. We have interacted with a number of them in various places.
We must thank our government and its leadership, particularly President Uhuru Kenyatta, because after formal tripartite negotiation through the General Wages Council meetings, we failed to agree on minimum wage increase. But the President took it upon himself to make sure that he chaired the negotiations on minimum wage increase. And indeed, against the employer's wishes, he increased minimum wage by 18%.
Do your workers need a pay rise? Yes, come on, we can do better than that. You're the trade union movement. Do we need a pay rise? Yes. Do the workers of Africa need a pay rise? Yes. The world needs a pay rise. Africa needs a pay rise. We're going to develop the campaign and we will win decent minimum living wages. Solidarity.